Hello everyone, in this short review video I am going to try my favorite fruit flavor candy, which is Skittles, in an all new avatar, and they are called Skittles Chewies. And these have been sent all the way from London by my sister-in-law Sheena Paul, so a big thank you and a shout out to her. Alright, so without wasting any time, let's just open it up and see what they're like. Almost open. Okay, now it's open. Oh wow, these look amazing. They are just like regular Skittles but without their hard shells. And let our cameraman also try. There are 5 different flavors inside, which are strawberry, blackcurrant, lemon, lime and orange. First I'm going to try strawberry. And it's slightly chewy, unlike the regular Skittle, which is hard. Not very sweet, a bit sour and a pinch of strawberry to it. Now let's try blackcurrant, and it's little odd, not that bad though. Now it's turn for lemon and lime. And honestly I can't really differentiate between them because they both taste similar to me. And finally it's time for the last one, which I like the least, which is orange. So finally, to sum it up, I think it's well worth a try. If you guys get a chance, I would definitely recommend it to you. But no matter what you do, please do not try this at home. By this I mean this, not the Skittles. Alright guys, you have a good day. See you.